Hi everyone, welcome to Merriness. I'm Ashma and I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing the November casually festive cute box. This month the box has been a little delayed, but finally it's here. So the box is priced at rupees 499 and the shipping is rupees 50. The payment mode is Paytm or bank transfer, and you can book this box via Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp or by emailing to them. They also offer multi-month subscription plans. So all the details about the multi-month subscription plans and its offers, along with all other details of Cutebox, I'll be mentioning in the description tab. So do check it out. Now without any further delay, let us get started. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to click the red color subscribe button. It is absolutely free for you all. Along with that, also click the bell icon next to it to receive updates of all my new videos. I'll be really delighted for you to become a part of my small Merriness family. So this was the choice given for selection of the first jewelry, and I went ahead with these silver oxidized earrings. You can look how pretty they are, and the quality is also good. They are super light in weight. One thing which I really liked about this particular earring is this small jhumki detailing and also the intricate work which is there on this earrings, and this is how they look on me. Then for the next jewelry choices, these were the options which were given, and in that category I went ahead with this long chain earrings. It's a really simple earring. It has a pearl detailing, it also has crystals, but the simplicity only makes this earrings look really beautiful. They are again super light in weight, and you can wear them on western outfits, even on Indian outfits, and I really like them. This is how they look on me. Then for the next jewelry, these were the options which they had given, and I went ahead with this hair clip. They have a detailing of pearl and crystals, and they look pretty good. The quality of the pin in itself is really nice and sturdy. So this is how it looks. Then the next jewelry which I received in the box is this ring. Now this will be sent randomly, and the colors will also be sent randomly. I got this golden color with crystals and blue stones, and the design is pretty good. It's an adjustable ring. That's something which I really like, and this is how it looks on me. And then the next piece of jewelry, again this necklace was sent randomly. So this is how it looks. It's got this double chain pattern, and I really liked how it looks. It's also got this bead detailing, and it looks like a leaf. So the quality wise, it's again pretty good. It's pretty sturdy, and that's something I really liked about it. So this is how it looks on me. And lastly, as it was a festive edition, they have sent a stud earrings additionally, and this is how it looks on me. Apart from this, they have also sent these two floating candles, which I think is a very nice gesture from them. So in all, these were all the products which I have received in my Cutebox for the month of November. So overall, the box has a partial customization, and you will be given 3 options to select from. The designs are pretty good, and the quality of all the jewelry is also nice. So if you are interested in getting this box, then all the details about it will be mentioned in the description tab below, so you can check it out. Apart from that, my personal favorite would be the silver oxidized earrings, and I also liked the hair clips. So these are like my personal favorites. Do let me know which jewelry did you like the most in this month's Cutebox, and also give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to click that red color subscribe button. It's free for you all, but it means so much to me. So that's all for today. I'll see you all soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.